you all had a very good Christmas, everyone, because I sure did. I got some upgrades for the work area here, including that drill press, which we will set up at a later day, but you might see that little muffler over there. Some LED lights for our ATV project. That's not our focus today. I'm here with hopefully to be a short video is, what is it like to have a street bike muffler on a drift trike? Now, I bought this off of Amazon for about $30 or so. I will put links in the down description in case you are interested. And don't get me wrong, I love the ROV muffler from GoPowersports.com. I love the sound that it does make, but I would like to try something new and something quieter. And if I still want to make a ruckus, this one has a removable baffler right there that we can take off. And I'm going to be taking this header into work tomorrow, and we are hopefully going to be trying to get this to mount something just like that. I don't want to go down here because of the way this trike fits in my truck right now. So I'm trying to push this back as far as possible without getting into the way of the air filter here. So I'm thinking around here is real nice. So let's go ahead and take off this header, and then I will see you guys at work or at a clip later. Okay, it is a new day, and I have been busy cutting up this header at work and also here in the garage. Basically what I did at work is I took the header and I had to shape it onto this new stainless piece right here, using a torch to heat it up and smash this in, and also to smash on the end with this coal just to kind of make it expand and this condense it. So this fits on here. We got this TIG welded in place. Then I shaped this end here so I can get a little bit less play in here, because out here it's just very wiggly. But then if you shove it into place, there isn't that much play. So now I need to go to our water jet and cut out a flange to fit over this small taper here, and use the springs to just sandwich them together just to hold this muffler in place. And as far as this clamp goes, I need to figure this out still, but I'm wondering and hoping if I can adapt this little hole here on the throttle body and maybe have some kind of bracket out here to hold the muffler in place. It's gonna look something like that. It's gonna point towards the throttle there. It's a decent height away, and if I still don't like it, I will trim it up. But that's about the height the old ROV muffler was at anyway. But yeah, I'm liking this so far. So I'll catch you guys in another segment. I'm at the shop working on this flange I just cut out for the water jet. The idea here is this bore is supposed to hit around here on this header, but I think I'm gonna have to polish it up a little bit just so I can make that gap or readjust some of my values for our water jet. But then the spring will extend over into these holes holding this muffler on. We still need to use the clamp that's provided, but we'll get to that in a little bit. But progress. muffler is not even warm, but the header right here is hot. Ooh, yeah, a little more than hot. All right, so I think that is going to do it for this mini episode of the Drift Trike series. I'd love to take it outside and a whole butt around the streets, but I've got neighbors. I don't want to be I don't know how to explain my reasoning, but I'm just a considerate turd. You can just say it for the least. But hopefully you got a good or a nice comparison, and especially for a $40 street bike muffler off of Amazon, I am darn well impressed of how this thing sounds and how literally muffled it is now, and I think I'm going to keep it. Now, there's supposedly a baffle, as I mentioned before, but I took off the 3 little set screws, 1, 2, and 3, but I don't have the tooling at my garage right now to pull it off and have a real party. But if you really want to take off the muffler or have a party, I just take off the muffler, run the straight header, and get some backfire and stuff, but that's not my thing. But if you'd like to go check this muffler out for yourself, I'll leave a link down in the description below. And Chris, if you're watching this, thank you so much for helping me with the custom fabrication to support this muffler out here, because I mean, I don't know what I would have done without you, man. I really appreciate you. He helped me get this or these pieces of aluminum here. We got that mounted to the back plate here, and it almost looks official, like an official product. So thanks again, man. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this little episode, be sure to hit that like button for more. If you actually want to see me drive this out, or if I should reconsider, then maybe do me a favor and hit that subscribe and like button. But other than that, guys, my name is Caden and Nighthawk, and I will see you guys later. Peace out and God bless.